our ice cream display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 41 inches, a depth of 27.5 inches, overall height with top glass cover, we have 52 inches tall. Without the glass cover, we have 34 inches in height. Coming to the front of the chest freezer, on the lower right will be the light switch along with the power switch, gauge, and coming to the side will be the temperature control to adjust the temperature for the chest freezer. Coming to the front of the freezer is the glass cover display, and on the other side will be a shelf in the center. Measurements for the center shelf will include 8 inches in depth and a length of 37.5 inches. Coming to the left and right are the dual slide doors, and inside the interior of the chest freezer included are 4 removable baskets. Each basket can hold your ice cream tubs and much more. Measurements for each basket will include 20.25 inches in length, 8.5 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Baskets can be removed and inserted back into the top track of the ice cream freezer. There will be a total of 9 rows. Each slot is where you can hold and put in your popsicles. The measurements for each popsicle tray will include 8.5 inches in length, 16.5 inches in depth, by 11.5 inches tall to the highest point. Interior dimensions for the freezer itself will include 22 inches in depth, 36 inches in length, by 24 inches in height. On the left side of the chest freezer inside the interior will be a step. Measurements for the step will include 22 inches in depth, 9 inches in length, by 10 inches in height. Overall length of the interior chest freezer with the step, we have 26.5 inches in length. Coming to the top edge of the chest freezer will be an LED strip. With the LED light turned on, it will display your products and illuminate your goods that you have advertised. Coming to the back, we have the ETL certification diagram along with the technical specifications for this unit. Beneath will be the 110/120 voltage plug, along with the cap that will be the drain coming from the bottom of the inside of the chest freezer. A pair of keys will be provided to lock up the top left and right doors whenever the chest freezer is not in operation. Also included will be the tutorial manual and information for this product, along with a scraping tool to scrape out any excess ice built up within the chest freezer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.